Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a quick Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and review of the AOHI Magline USB-C to Lightning cable that AOHI have sent to us for review purposes. So thanks to AOHI for reaching out and sending us this cable. Let's see how it performs with the iPhone 13 Pro. Yes, that's the fruity or Apple iPhone 13 Pro. So first things first, let's open up the packaging. It's pretty simple packaging that says what it is on the box. You do get 18-month guarantee from AOHI according to their packaging, but make sure to check that from the retailer you're buying your cable from. Anyway, opening up the box, it's simple. There is a plastic tray with the cable itself and a little card giving you the opportunity to speak to AOHI's customer service team in case you're not happy with the product. Now, the cable itself, let's pull it out, is very, very similar to the USB Type-C one we saw with the AOHI MagCube high wattage charger that we did a video of previously here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. And as you can see, this one goes from USB Type-C with AOHI branding on it to Lightning with AOHI branding on it. Now what I'm going to do is take the plastic cover off the end of the cable. There's a little plastic film on the silver endings. And what we'll do is take the AOHI cable, plug it into our AOHI charger, which we've seen and used with multiple devices, and plug it into the iPhone 13 Pro. So here we are with my AOHI power strip, which has the US plug. This is the US plug AOHI cube that we did a video of recently. It's a small but powerful GaN or gallium nitride charger. So I'm going to plug that in to my AOHI multi-plug adapter. And the little cable tidy is nice. It's Velcro, as you'd expect from a cable tidy, but it has a little bit of AOHI branding on it. So you see that? AOHI. Anyway, I'm going to take the USB Type-C ending to this cable, plug that in, and if we just check my iPhone, you can see that the battery level is low. So I'm going to take the USB Type-C side, plug it in and see how it charges. So I'm seeing it's 13% charged. I see that it has a little lightning symbol on top of the battery indicator, so that's good to see. So it's 14% charged. Let's quickly go into the settings and have a look at the battery settings. General. Where's battery? You can see I don't use my iPhone that much. Airplane phone. Oh, here we are. It's in the actual main menu. So last time it was charged was 98% on Sunday. It's now Thursday evening, and the iPhone has not really been used much since then. Anyway, it doesn't actually say anything about how quickly the charge it's getting is, so it doesn't give you a little estimate like we usually see on Android smartphones with fast charging. But the fact that we've already had a 2% charge in the time that we've been recording this video since we plugged in is a good indicator that we're charging at a decent speed. Bear in mind, there we are, already 17%. That's a good sign. It means that the AOHI Magline USB-C to Lightning cable is doing its job. Anyway, I'll wrap up this video whilst my iPhone charges. Thank you for watching if you made it this far in the video. Thanks to AOHI for sending us this review unit of the Magline USB-C to Lightning cable, which is made for iPhone, iPad and iPod. We will be covering more AOHI products in the coming weeks. There was an email conversation where they're sending us a new gallium nitride charger, which I'm quite excited about. So keep an eye on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel going forward. But for now, thanks for watching this video. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, and pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, that's all. Goodbye.